Curvaceously Bianca dropped a bomb reel for us wearing a Crisscross Halter top, and she was wearing True Lip Cosmetic tape in Noor. Okay, a lot of people started asking me how did I tape her breasts to wear the top, so I just went ahead and ordered the same top so that I could show you guys how I tape Bianca's breasts for the top that she had on. All right, so I literally just taped the breast just like the top is made. The top is made in an X, so I lifted on one side. I started here on my right side, and I lifted my breast up from the bottom and came across, and I did the same thing on my left side. So I'll show you guys. Okay, so what you guys are gonna do is you're gonna measure from where you're starting from and where you're going to. So you're gonna measure across, all right? So this is where I'm going. This is how much tape I need. Because the tape stretches and the more tension you have on the tape, the more lift you'll get with your breast. So I cut it just a little shorter. Remember that you're gonna pull your tape off of the paper slowly, because if you do it too fast, it'll roll back up and you won't be able to use that piece of tape. Gonna roll it like this. All right, and so you always wanna make sure you get a lift on it. So I'm gonna start here at the bottom, lift up on my breast, and come across. Uh-oh. Let me get my braid. And come across. Just like that. All right, and there you have it. Now I'm gonna put on the shirt so you can see exactly how I did it and how the crisscross method works, all right? So I'm back and I have on the Crisscross Halter top, and this is the final result. So it's close cleavage, they're sitting up, and I'm totally covered in the back as well as the front. And no side boob action is showing that I have on tape either. Okay? So guys, earlier today I posted on the True Professionals page that if we could get the True Professionals followers up to 1,000 followers, I would drop the True Lip Cosmetic tape to $7. We are, I believe, at 952, so we're over halfway there. If we could get the page to 1,000 followers for tomorrow only, I'll drop True Lip Cosmetic tape to $5.50 for our 4th of July sale. We're gonna have a sale regardless, but if you guys can get us to 1,000 followers and spread the word, then we would definitely drop it to $5.50. Tomorrow only, it'll be $5.50. Let's spread the